What is up, guys? It's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for another bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, we are going to take a look at Hayok. Well, Hayok is like a slang term for nympho, according to this movie. So we're just going to go through that definition for this, okay? It is starring Nico Loco, Stephanie Russ. I could tell she is Stephanie Russ because Micaela Russ is the one with the sappy tits. And Apple Celso. Tama di ba si Apple Celso to? Okay, yeah, si Apple Celso. Ba't kailangan ba yan, no? It is directed by Topel Lee. I knew it was Topel Lee. Kasi when it comes to editing, video editing sa mga pelikula ni Topel Lee, it's like one mature scene, fade to black, and then go to the next scene until you encounter the next seg scene, then fade to black. They almost have the same uh, distinct formulaic cut off like GB San Pedro. Only GB San Pedro's mature films are more psychological thrillers. Totally more of drama. Ayun. So if you like this review, pakilike na lang po yung video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. Okay, so simulan na natin ang review ng Hayok. So this is a movie starring the contractor Lucy. She is played by Apple Celso, and she seduced a delivery boy para makipagtalik. Imbes na bayaran niya ng pera, nakipagtalik siya. Okay? And much obliged, it is such an honor yung delivery boy na-enjoy yung pagtatalik nila ni Lucy na parang gusto ulit ni delivery boy maging suki sa mga deliveries sa mga parcels ni Lucy. It turns out Lucy only wants to have sex one time to the person she chooses and only one time. Ngayon. And this I rated the delivery boys na hindi na siya makakaulit kay Lucy, and he said ouch. Yeah, ouch. Oh, sakit no? Tinanggihan ka makipagtalik. Yeah, yeah. Well, it is what it is talaga sa delivery boy because we now have to go through our couple here, Nico Loco and Stephanie Russ. Nico Loco is playing the role of Neil, and Stephanie Russ is playing the role of Angie. They are boyfriend girlfriend, and it is evident on the consecutive sex scenes that we have that will be played during this movie. It is a typical Raz scene, which is very tame, which is very methodical, which is very orthodox, and very 2022-ish. Okay, 2021, 2022 Viva Max style na sex scene. And it is a far cry from the current gen, which involves a lot more gratuitous amount of nudity, like nipple sucking, feet, milk, diba? Yeah. So this is methodical action at nadamay dito si Apple. Okay. Apple has a fling si Chester Gresha. I think his name here is Tom, and they have sex in the pool. Okay. And it is a messed up spot because first of all, Apple or Lucy did not even bother to remove her bikini to show the goods. Okay, we only have a slight nip slip para sa kanya. And two, since nasa pool sila or jacuzzi, I was expecting for them to do the sex and zen scene. When you watch Sex and Zen, there is a movie scene there where the girl is in the jacuzzi, and then the guy just hops in to the jacuzzi and they perform wild sex to each other. And with the degree na si Apple, parang pumapayag naman siya sa mga medyo wild na eksena, eh sana ginawa niya yun. Like, yung Quezon Puti, di ba? Yeah, this is, what? 3 weeks after Quezon Puti? Ang bilis ah. Ang bilis ng pangyayari. Parang kailan lang nag-Quezon Puti itong si Apple, tapos yan, may bago na siyang pelikula. Ah, things, time flies so fast. Okay, we're gonna cut the review here because I am night shift again. By the way, I started my new shift on Monday, 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. So the review is gonna get later than the actual last night shift that I had. So you can just bear with me, okay? I still have a hard time adjusting to the schedule of the of this shift kasi medyo gabing-gabi na, 9 p.m. And I got used to the morning shift last week na naantok pa rin ako during this shift, this new shift that I am in. So yeah. But as the saying goes, the show must go on. Okay. Okay, continuing on, uh gusto ni Nico Loco, he wants that Apple booty, pero Apple hinting, I think that Nico and her had a pass, or parang ayaw ni Lucy kay Neil kasi may jowa siya. Yeah, sure. Then there comes a time Angie has to go somewhere, just para ma-set up itong si Neil sa si Lucy para magtalik. And then Neil and Lucy, they are so drunk. Lucy fell unconscious and Neil decides to R-word her. Okay? R-word. Wild R. I'm not allowed to say that word because YouTube. Pero yung ginawa niya, minolest niya. He violated Lucy here in the movie. And Lucy wants to have revenge. She proposes to have threesome with her, Neil, and Angie. Angie nga pala pangalan ni Stephanie Ras dito. They had the threesome, then Apple brought the plot twist. You are the plot twist. Dinala niya si Tom. And Tom, much to the chagrin of Neil, wala sa usapan, Tom inserted his schlong sa girlfriend niyang si Angie. And si Angie kasi, throughout this threesome, naka-blindfold siya. So, di niya alam na hinalikan na siya ni Apple. Di na niya alam na pinipenetrate na siya ni Tom. And then, we got Neil just here to watch unsatisfyingly banging Lucy habang yung kanyang girlfriend ay tinitira ng ibang lalaki, and that's how the revenge go on. Neil eventually admitted at the end of the movie na tinira siya ng ibang lalaki, and Neil and Angie just broke up. And then, ayun, umalis na rin si Neil sa pamamahay ni Lucy, Juicy Lucy. Okay. So, what am I gonna give this movie rating? I believe when it comes to this, I am going to give Hayok the Nympho and It's Alright Like. Pretty good setups, pretty good set pieces para sa akin. Maganda yung mga set piece dito. And I think yung revenge plot, it actually worked. I was expecting murder or lason or something, but no, it did not result in poisoning someone. Rather that it's more of a revenge sex by making the plot twist na si Tom ang sumama. And Chester Gresha is there, yeah. Yeah, it's alright. I like it. So next week we're gonna go watch Monai. I think that's the only BMX movie currently on queue. Check natin. Currently on queue kasi after Monai, parang wala, di ba? Or nagkaroon sila. Palitan. Palitan dos. Sa ano tong Palitan dos? We're gonna go for Monai. May 22 Friday. We're not gonna review Pinay Kama Sutra because it's a feature. It's a feature about the multiple sex positions na ginamit sa Viva Max, sa BMX. So why bother doing a feature of the compilations? I already reviewed them. Ayun. Okay, thank you for watching Fridays with BMX. Peace out.